Hello. Oh, you guys can barely see me. It's so dark in here, boys. Anywho, so we're checking out the silver bullet hours. So what we're doing is we're entering after two matching colored fair value gaps, the hour within the hour prior to the silver bullet hour right here. So if you did this here, you'd end up with the 8R. Amazing, right? If you didn't get scared out, these little consolidation spots. So that's all hunky-dory. Next pair. Probably got stopped out here. Entered off of these two here, got stopped out. And a little win here. Maybe caught this move down here going for the big move down. That's great. Here's the time before it started the session. Running up, running up, running up. Session starts. You think it's going to keep on going up, and it does, but then it all crumbles. Crumbles, crumbles, crumbles. Next pair, AU. Outside perspective goes up, down, run back up. Got some resistance here, and the run down. Two blue, bear, fair value gaps, stop loss. A little bit far. I don't know if I'd enter that, but there it is anyhow. Maybe it'll keep going. We'll see. There's a 2R. Next pair, GU. Zooming out, trending up, and fakes you out. Two blues, the entry, and you're in for a 2R win. Reversal. Two yellows for a 3.2R. Swings around, consolidates. Maybe you took profits, decided to enter off these two blues here. Maybe you waited for a pullback here, got the win down. And you can see from this point here and upwards, couple blues here, little blue there. It's not until right here you get three blues. So you're thinking that it could be turning around. So you could have exited there and then waited for the reversal. GJ was trending up. This one was really nice because it had a really tight setup down here. Ended up with a huge 9.8R. Wow. Before moving on, we'll check out Forex Factor. I already seen it, but just want to show you guys. Bank Holiday JPY. Two red folders for USD that haven't happened yet. So yeah, nothing really, just Bank Holiday JPY. Next pair. AJ, kind of the same thing, has a run up, up, down, back up. So continuation. US 30, down, 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 reversal, runs up and then back down. NAS 100, running down, comes back up. Here's the hour starting out. You can see what happens. Here's the best move here so far. Still running down. But yeah, with most of these moves, you can expect to, yeah, there's the 2 o'clock an hour prior. You can expect to get stopped out here, like right here. Would have been a 1R maybe, or stopped out. Then you enter here. Then your profit area is up here. Your stop loss is down here. And then you're going for this next move here. But it is common to get stopped out, and then you just re-enter. So no worries, guys. Here's gold. Runs up, consolidates. Gold was a really nice trade. Yeah, so there's a 4.3. Oh, it's still running down. And it's not even that long. Like, look, it's almost 3 hours just off that one little move. So this strategy is lit. Bitcoin here. So 2 blues right in here. So you probably would have got stopped out if you had a tight stop loss. Maybe even you enter off these 2 yellows also. So another stop loss, another blue. So you would have went in for another sell here, brought you down here to this point. Took profit maybe once it started to chop around like this. And maybe you got in off these 2 yellows. Maybe you waited for that pullback. Because yeah, this is kind of far for a stop loss, I guess. Yeah. Anyhow, brought you back up here. 2.8. Next pair, this is the DXY. Always nice to view the DXY when you're working with USD pairs. EJ 5.4R. Reversal after silver bullet session is over. So yeah, just a continuation. SPX 500. Got a win up here. Ride it back down. 5.7 if you held on to it that long. GA 5.6R. Nice little tight setup here. Yep, same thing. Hour prior, you don't enter off this one, you enter off of this one because it's 2 same colors. And yeah, easy pleasy. GCAD 1.2. Reversals here, 3.5. And has a reversal. No good signal here. There's your second blue right there. So yeah, pretty nasty. Don't take that one. That's too far away for the stop loss. UCAD. Can't even look at this. It's so choppy. So yeah, that's what a bad setup looks like. Just you can't even look at it. It's just so nasty. CAD great. This is probably the best trade here. Just super tight down here. 10R, amazing. Amazing. 2 o'clock mark is right here. So yeah, 1 blue, 2 yellows. Perfect signal. Oh my gosh. 10R. Can you believe that? Wow. Actually, let's go back to that one. I want to zoom out a bit. So it kind of just looks like it's ranging. And then it just explodes from there. Wow. chef. Yep. Kind of choppy, that one. Chef J. NZ. Stopout. Long stop loss. You wouldn't have wanted to take this one. It's kind of a long stop loss too, but it's a winner. 2.3. Nice signal. Nice pullback entry there. Because yeah, that's a pretty far stop loss. So yeah, so about 5 there, about 2 there. So huge difference. Where's Texas oil? Really nice signal. Maybe he held it down here. 7.5R. I'll zoom in for you guys. Yep, 2 o'clock mark. 2 blues. Enter. Ride it down. Stop loss. Tight stop loss. Yeah, those tight stop losses, they're amazing. Kind of like a sloppy continuation downwards. And that's it, guys. There's a couple notes that I had written down. Yeah, you can read those after. But yeah, that CAD JPY trade, that was crazy. 10R. Those tight setups are so amazing. Yep. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay blessed. Peace.